right, number 8. So I'm going to go through all 4 of the graphs given and state the domain and range of them. So I think the easiest way to go about it is to see, is it a function? I'll even give the domain range of it, even if it's not a function. Right here, let's just do the vertical line test. As you can see, it crosses through multiple points, more than one, so the first one is not going to be a function. It's not a function. Excuse me. Also states the domain and range. So based off this chart, even though it doesn't have arrows, I'm going to assume it goes on forever. Domain and the range is just going to be all real numbers. I mean, we really don't even have to give that here, but yeah, it's going all the way up, all the way down, so left to right. But eventually I have a low and a high. Take a look at this one. Vertical line test, as you can see already. Right here, this is a discrete graph, I can tell. Those repeat, so it's not a function. The domain, since it is discrete, we would have to have full points, least to greatest. One. Ooh, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's just say that's at about 10. Let's just say 10. So as a set, negative 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's just say it's about 6. 1, 2, negative 2. 1, 2, positive 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. I can even write that on there. Alright, just pretend that's perfect. So that's negative 10, negative 6, negative 2, 2, and 7. Range, I'll write it a little better. Starting from lowest, 1, 2, 3, negative 3, 1, 2, so negative 1, 1, 2, 3, positive 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, positive 8. Alright, and that's the range for that one. Not a function. Scatter plot, discrete graph. We're going to take a look at the third one. We'll see if that's a function itself. Okay, there we are. So it looks like it's going on forever, but, and we're in luck, I don't see anywhere where I can use a vertical line test to go against it. So right here, it is a function. So the domain for this function looks like it's going forever, left and right, so it's all real numbers. The range though, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like the lowest point will always be negative 4, can be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and as a high of 4. So the domain started at negative 4 and ends at positive 4. Right away I can see this mess is not a function. Vertical line tests of the yin yang. I can see that's not perfectly straight, but so right here, not a function. But if we want to give the domain is going to be constrictive. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's going to be negative 4 to 4. As you can see, it's going from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a bracket, by the way, because it can be it. Then the range right here, looks like it's going forever, up and down. So if I were to find it, just go on forever, negative infinity to positive infinity, all real numbers. Alright, And that's for all those graphs. Try to have it zoomed in a little bit just so you guys can see that. There you go.